Tommy Paul is an American professional tennis player known for his versatile game, strong baseline play, and notable success on various surfaces, including clay, where he grew up playing. Paul reached his first ATP Tour clay court final at the 2026 US Men's Clay Court Championships in Houston, beating Frances Tiafoe in the three-set thriller in the finals and won. He began playing tennis at age 7, introduced to the sport by his parents. His mother, Jill, served as his first coach. Paul has become a standout American performer. He became the first American man in 23 years to reach the quarterfinals to the French Open in 2025, losing to Carlos Alcaraz in 3 sets and reached a new career high of world number 8 on June 9, 2025. At the 2024 Paris Olympics, he won a bronze medal in men's doubles partnering Taylor Fritz. Paul has been ranked as high as world number 8 in single, achieved in June 2025, and has won 5 ATP Tour singles titles. His breakthrough at the Grand Slam level came when he reached a major semi-final at the 2023 Australian Open. He built on the momentum in 2025, reaching his third major quarterfinal at the 2025 Australian Open, which helped him break into the top 10 for the first time in his career on January 27, 2025. He has a brother, Dylan, and sister, Jessie Lane. His father is Kevin Paul. Spent much of his youth on clay courts on North Carolina, which influenced his comfort on the surface early in his career. He later relocated to Florida around age 14 to training and now resides in Boca Raton. Paul had an impressive junior career, reaching a career high ITF junior ranking on number 3. In 2015, he won the boys' single title at the French Open and reached the boys' doubles final at Roland Garros at the same year. Paul is in relationship with influencer and entrepreneur Paige Lawrence. His family remains supportive, with his mother and stepdad reportedly running a farm in South Jersey that he visits off-season. He has won 5 ATP single titles. Notable victories include his first title at the 2021 Stockholm Open, additional titles in 2024, his 5th title in 2026 at the Houston Open, where he saved championships point in the final.